Jamaican superstition. You ever point on a grave as a child and somebody nearly broke your hand? Jamaicans never play with graveyard business. Them say no point pan grave. Because if you point on it, your finger them would rot. And worse if a night time, now them say you upset the spirit them. So now you're frightened, you're confused, and your finger suddenly start feel funny. But Jamaican people always have one solution. Bite all 10 finger quick. Not one, not two, all 10. And you better bite them proper too, because nobody not take no chance with rotten finger. Looking back now, me don't know if it was fear, respect, or just old-time discipline. But one thing me know, Jamaican childhood had you scared of everything. I saw it go. You tell me.